In this video, we want to find the second derivative with respect to x at the point x equals pi over 6 and y equals 1/2. So let's start off with our function here. Take the derivative with respect to x. So the derivative of x is 1. The derivative of y squared is 2y dy over dx. The derivative of negative cosine is sine. Now I'm going to solve for dy over dx. So I'm going to subtract both sides by sine of x and then divide by 2y. At this point, I can plug in x equals pi over 6. So we have 1 minus sine of pi over 6 over 2 times 1/2. That's just 1 minus a half over 1. And that's going to be 1/2. So the derivative with respect to x is 1/2. Now we're going to take the second derivative. So let's take the derivative of the first derivative. Apply the quotient rule. The derivative of 1 minus sine of x is negative cosine x. Multiply that by 2y minus, take the derivative of 2y, which is 2, and then 2 dy dx, and then multiply that by 1 minus sine x. Finally, divided by 2y quantity squared. At this point, we can plug in pi over 6 and 1/2. So you have negative cosine of pi over 6, and then 2 times 1/2. dy over dx we solved for previously was 1/2. Then we have 1 minus sine pi over 6. And the denominator is 2 times 1/2 quantity squared. That's just going to be 1. So all of these guys here are 1. Really, we're left with negative cosine of pi over 6 minus 1 minus sine pi over 6. Cosine of pi over 6 is root 3 over 2. And so there's a negative in front. Now we have sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. So this is negative root 3 over 2. 1 minus a half is a half. So you have negative root 3 over 2 minus 1/2. And so we can bring this all together and say negative root 3 plus 1 over 2. So this is my final answer.